Translation is the second process that involves RNA. And this is the process of changing the language from DNA that mRNA made and turning that into a protein. And remember, proteins are responsible for all of your traits that we can see. 3 nitrogen bases on the mRNA strand are called codons. And that's going to be your 3 letters, for example, AUG. And one codon will code for one specific amino acid. There are 20 different types of amino acids, and it's the unique order of these amino acids that give you your specific characteristics. And the order of your codons will give you specific amino acids. The same 20 amino acids are in all living things, and so what that means is that the differences that we observe between organisms is only due to slight differences in amino acid orders. And our start codon with this process is going to be methionine. All of your protein chains will begin with methionine. There are 6 steps in translation. It's a little bit more complicated than in transcription. So the mRNA and the ribosome will bind together. The mRNA came from the nucleus from the process of transcription. The tRNA has what are called anticodons. That's the 3-letter base pair. That's the opposite of the codon. And the tRNA will bond to the mRNA codon. So the tRNAs are found floating in the cytoplasm, and the anticodon is how it finds that specific codon. And the tRNA is going to carry the amino acids. The amino acids will bond to a chain to each other, and the tRNA will release that amino acid once that amino acid bonds to the chain. The ribosome will continue to move along the mRNA strand until a termination signal is reached. And there is no amino acid for the termination signal. The termination signal is just a stop codon. In other words, it doesn't code for anything. And once all of those amino acids are linked together, you have a polypeptide. And that protein or polypeptide is released, and everything will disassemble. So your ribosome will break apart, and the mRNA will be released from the ribosome.